Which word is incorrect in its sentence? A. The word among in sentence 1. B. The word more in sentence 6. C. The word conscious in sentence 7. Or D. The word there in sentence 8. With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for and for, or whale and whale. And indeed, we can see a homophone in our choices. There. There refers to a place, as in over there. But when spelled T-H-E-I-R, it's the possessive form of them, as in their car. And when spelled T-H-E-Y'-R-E, it's a contraction for they are. Because it can be so easy for our brains to naturally correct these words when reading, questions like these will often focus on homophones. Let's take a look at the context of the word there in sentence 8. But it does mean that those who believe fish don't have feelings can no longer use their supposed lack of emotional fever as an argument. We can see that the there here is meant to be there, meaning the lack of emotional fever of the fish, the possessive form. As we can see that this word is incorrect in its sentence, we can go ahead and mark D there as our final answer.